Hey guys, welcome to the Old Phone channel. Emergency SOS Mode sometimes proves to be an outstanding safety feature, but some users complain that an issue begins with the iPhone stuck on Emergency SOS Mode, which makes them cannot use the phone and the screen does not go away. In this video, we'll show you how to fix this issue using 4 methods. Force restart the iPhone is an effective method to exit iPhone stuck in Emergency SOS Mode. Here are simple steps to follow. Press volume up, then release button. Now press volume down, then again release that button. Then press and hold down the power lock button on the right side of your iPhone and wait until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Second best solution is to use the Old Phone iOS System Repair tool to fix the problem without losing device data. Old Phone iOS System Repair Tool is a professional system repair tool that can fix iPhone stuck on SOS mode. Now let's see how to use the Old Phone iOS System Repair in 4 steps. Step 1. Download and install software on your system. Step 2. Launch the Old Phone iOS System Repair tool and click on Start button to repair operating system to fix all iOS problems. After that, connect your iPhone via USB cable and choose the standard repair. Hit the standard repair button to start the process. Step 3. The software will automatically detect the iOS version and provide you the package file. Click on the download button to get the file. Step 4. When the firmware is ready for use, you will see the Start Standard Repair button on the screen. Click on it to start the repair process, and it may take longer time. After the process finishes, your iPhone restart normally and the issue will be fixed. The software will keep your data safe and improves the performance as well. Another method for removing an emergency SOS screen is restoring your iPhone through iTunes. This method will help you out, but it will cause data loss. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and put it in DFU mode. Quickly press and release volume up and down button and keep holding lock button till Apple logo appears. Step 2. A new iTunes window will appear with 2 options: update and restore iPhone. Select restore iPhone and follow on-screen commands to restore it. Step 3. After restoration, you can able to use your iPhone again. Apple Support offers technical support to resolve issues related to Emergency SOS Mode. You can also contact Apple Service Centers from your residence or office with their contact number. Or you can go to their official website www.supportapple.com and register your query with detailed message. They will help you check if your iPhone has some hardware problems or if its software is a related issue. That's all about how to fix iPhone stuck on Emergency SOS Mode. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. See you next time.